good morning and welcome to the channel. It's another day with Fellow F. Alright guys, in this video I will be guiding you through my views on USDJPY. That's the United States dollars against the Japanese yen. Alright, a couple of weeks ago I made a video telling you what I expected on this pair. Let me see. This is the video. Where is it? My breakdown on GBPAUD. Remember I told you JPY was coming up to a certain zone, so to a key level. So this is JPY at 1.52 and above. That's exactly where I told you JPY was coming to. USDJPY, sorry, that's where I told you it was coming to, because this is a key level and a serious resistance zone. Actually a breakthrough. But looking at the weekly time frame, we see that we are still very bearish. Reason being that we're making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this was the last low. Price came all the way up. Let me read good. Price came all the way up to this zone and came down, took out the low. It took out this low. You see, this low was taken out. So I told you we are bearish, and right now we are still very bearish on the weekly. Okay, because still we haven't taken out the last highs, so we are still bearish. Okay, because we took out the last lows, breaking structure, and now or changing character. Now what are we expecting? A new lower high somewhere around here. If market creates a lower high somewhere around here on the weekly, we know the sales are valid. So what do? We go down to the daily. Okay, let's see what we have on the daily. And well, on the daily we are bullish somehow, because we actually took our structure here. We actually took our structure in a couple of ways. We can consider this one as the break of structure. Can consider this one. So we are still very bullish. Okay, we are now creating higher highs and higher lows. All right, so we say we are bullish on the daily but bearish on the weekly. Okay, so we are still around the resistance zone, around the key level. Okay, so maybe price is targeting this neckline. This is also a very significant level where price could react off. So at this point, what are we expecting? Are we expecting price to bounce off this zone? Well, it's very possible, but we are not predicting the market. Okay, because price might as well break the zone and target the next zone above. Okay, excuse me. Yeah, price might also target the zone above, but as of now, we see price might hit the neckline and continue dropping. So what are we expecting? First, this is a point of interest where you see candlesticks, like where you see so many candlesticks wicking out around the same zone. It's a point to be noted. Okay, and price is currently in that zone. So at this point, what are we expecting? We are looking closely on the lower time frames to see if there is a change of character, if there is any reversal pattern that will be created around this little box. All right, so let's go down to the 4 hours. Since we are still very bullish on the daily, let's see what we have on the 4 hours. All right, looking at the 4 hours, we are still creating higher highs and higher lows, but looking at this, you realize that price actually closed within this box, came all the way down, came back up, took out the previous highs, but still in that zone. Okay, so if we tighten our chart a little bit to see if it's the zone I'm talking about, let's see. Yeah, you see this is the zone, which on the 4 hours is a structure. Okay, it's a structure. So let's see what price has here for us. If price breaks structure around this zone and gives us a bearish signal, that's where we think, or we can start looking for sales on USDJPY. All right, so going down to the hourly, at this point we are looking for entry, so we cannot even analyze the hourly at this point. Reason being that we are still waiting to see if price decides to take out these highs and maybe take out this zone, the whole of this zone, then we continue buying, guys. But if not, man, we like right now I did not buy this trade because it's in this zone. I'm waiting for price to give me a valid confirmation for me to sell because it's around a key level. Okay, so at this point on on USDJPY, we just need to be patient. Okay, we need to be patient to see what price has for us. Let me see how many minutes we've gone so far. We've taken 5 minutes, so I want to make this video a short 10 minutes video. So let's look for another pair like GBPAUD. So we go back to the weekly. Go back to the weekly and see GBPAUD. All right, currently GBPAUD is very, very bullish. Yeah, it's very, very bullish on the weekly. Well, price actually took out this lows, right, and gave us a bearish momentum. But looking at this, you see just a little wick above structure is already a break of structure, knowing that we are analyzing on the weekly time frame. So GBPAUD is bullish on the weekly. It's bullish on the weekly. So what are we expecting? Let's go down to the 4 hours. I just want us to do a top-down analysis. You see how powerful this candle is. This is like a Morobozo. It's a Morobozo candlestick on the daily, and we are left just with 44 minutes to the close of this candle, and you see it actually wicked above this structure, telling us, guys, we are going up. We're going all the way up. Okay, so at this point we say weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, definitely 4 hours will be bullish. 4 hours will be bullish, and what we'll be expecting is a little retracement on the 4 hours. Okay, if we get a little retracement, you see we've been bullish for a while on the 4 hours, and we did not expect price to take out these highs. Once these highs were taken out, this is time to start looking for buys, guys. So we are waiting for a little retracement to maybe around this point of interest to buy all the way up, guys. So that's what we are seeing on GBPAUD. You know, on GBPAUD, I actually trade this pair in zones. Okay, I trade this pair in zones. You see, it actually creates some small zones. Well, along the line, I'll show you my strategy. I'll make a video for you to give you my GA trading strategy, because GA has a strategy I use to trade. I don't just trade it the same way I trade other pairs, because at times it can mess you up, guys. It can mess up with your emotions. Okay, so like I said, we are bullish somehow, but price is still around a key level. Okay, so we'll wait for a retracement and see what price has in store for us. Okay, so we have our key levels around here, a key level like 1.9600, right? If price can come anywhere around there, then we'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so we take 1.9600, so that's the key level. So we're waiting. Let's go down to the 2 hours to see if, to the hourly, sorry, good, to see if there is something there calling price. You see, this is actually where the market gapped in the morning, around this, the opening of this week, right? That was today, last night. So this is it. So guys, we are hoping that price should retrace a little to give us an entry. We don't just buy from here because we are buying. So on one of our videos, I will do a video for you on sniper entries. Okay, I'll give you a video on sniper entries so that maybe you can increase your accuracy, your entry accuracy. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching my videos. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe as well. And if this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to comment, and Feel free to share the video with friends. See you on the next video.